Deja?
Yeah.
Honey, it's Mikey's birthday.
Who's that from, Mike? From Uncle Lars and Aunt Debbie.
Pretty paper. Oh, Aladdin.
The
CD.
soundtrack from Aladdin.
Hey, Norman, can you hold
That's from
some of that paper?
Aunt Debbie and Uncle Lars.
Ta-da!
Your presents over here.
Go ahead, don't worry about it.
I'll be right back.
Wait. Let's see who it's from. Annette, can you see who these are from, please?
You should open the cards first, Mike.
Try to find something in the mornings until Dave wasn't working too. So he's gonna have to get up on him. Funny because I mean, he's like, oh, where's my babysitting? Babysitting in what?
Oh, boy!
He's not home for dinner. But it's like transfer you to school. All right.
Did they figure it out?
Did they figure it out? That's why I think it's roasting, but it's like that's really
Yeah, last night.
Yeah? So is he frozen?
Oh, yeah, he hasn't a chance to ride it yet, though. We'll go home and ride it this afternoon.
Get him a helmet?
He has a helmet, yeah.
They're doing it over.
careful for the baby there.
I was home my son's home.
You gonna leave skid marks? Alright, good. Now go back to Daddy.
Watch where you're going. Watch where you're going, not the camera. Watch where you're going. That's it.
Good.
Whoop, careful. Turn easy.
Turning around again, Papa.
Turning around again? Good. You got the knack of that turning around, huh?
Yeah.
You're doing that good, that turning around stuff.
This time I'm not going to stop.
Whoa, take a break. Break, right? Why you down there? Get up.
I ran off the grass.
Yeah, that's...
I ran off the road into the grass.
Yeah, you should have done that before.
It's Mikey's new birthday bike.
Let's, Mike.
What?
Let's see you go all the way to the end, come around on this side. Listen. Go all the way around that way. Can you do that?
Well, there's sand on the other side.
Well, that's okay. It would be okay.
Stay off the sand. Go right.
Pedal.
Yay! Say, we love you and we miss you. Hot. Say, we love you and we miss you.
I gotta get the direction I want. I get out from here. Maybe you could help me down the stairs.
We wanted to send you a Mikey and Bobby's greatest hits tape
Maybe you
for
could help me
your
down the
birthday.
stairs.
Kind of threw it together at the last minute, so forgive the roughness of it.
You hold the book
But
like
we
it
want to
down.
wish you a happy birthday. Sit down, Bob.
You could have going down the stairs.
Is that good? Is that good?
You're not going down the stairs.
No, it's not.
Well, who's gonna help me down there then? Mama,
Yes?
this book belongs downstairs.
Okay, we'll take care of it in a minute. Look in the camera. Say happy birthday, Grandpa Percy.
Happy birthday, Grandpa
Percy.
This guy. Well, you said Christine. Come on.
Ferry boat.
I have PMS and EST. That makes me a Vinci nose at home.
Well, there's more folks than you. Share my point of view. They're worried if they're gonna sink or swim. Make a difference if you're gonna leave your mark. You can't fall like a bunch of sheep. You gotta listen to your heart. Don't bust it down like old John Wayne. Sometimes you got to go against the grain. Nothing will get you, nothing will gain. Sometimes you got to go against the grain.
Hey,
Do it.
I just let the tape play.
Do it.
Yeah, but that's the alcohol.
Yeah, one.
Now, other hairspray that has alcohol in it causes that dryness. This one has
Yes, ain't been long. Just need more to hold than just a telephone. Miles of calm each and every night. Just
Bobby's
ask how she
tired.
was when she
Oh, you're
was
pinching my
alright.
legs, huh?
Called it then when Daddy.
Okay, Jeff. We kept you waiting long enough. Here's the big fishing boat you've heard all about.
This rock is very special.
How many feet is that boat?
Pretty nice, huh? Well, 17 if you stretch it.
17 feet. Deceiving from this angle, isn't it?
This is the lake boat.
That is
This is the lake boat.
the one some truck.
The real boat's over there.
Hey, Papa. Okay, I'm ready. What do I do about that?
This is the lake boat. How many feet is this one?
12-footer.
Let's see which storm blew this off. You know that? Remember that windstorm and the windstorm? Do you
What are you looking for? What's under there?
It's jelly beans. Guess what else I found?
What?
A lollipop.
Let's go get,
There's another one.
You better run inside and tell Daddy and Bobby to hurry up.
Here's more. I'll give Daddy an Easter egg.
Okay, go hurry up. Tell him the Easter Bunny was here. Good morning, Bob. Happy Easter, honey. The Easter Bunny was here. Maybe Michael could show you where the baskets are. What you got there? What you got there?
You hear one up in the kitchen.
Show Bobby where the baskets are.
No.
I'm too interested in finding it. No. Yep, that's him. 1 year, 10 months. No, that must be me. 31 years, 9 months. Why'd you put my age in here? You didn't put yours. You put Michael's and mine and Bobby's, huh?
Well, he gets the pension and then he goes out fishing. So
I got cheese up
Shall we all say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter. Happy Easter.
Shall we all sing In Your Easter Bonnet?
No, I don't think so.
Let's hear you, dear. Shall we?
In your Easter bonnet, with all the frills upon it.
Easter 1993.
I don't know the
You have to
words.
tell us what year it is.
How about Here
I've
Comes
never been in
Peter
1925.
Cottontail?
So I guess they never taught me that song.
How about Here Comes Peter Cottontail?
You did have, you know, a hat. Have the picture.
What?
Here Comes Peter
You
Cottontail?
want us to sing? Everybody, we gotta sing a song.
Beautiful job.
When they were real small,
I feel good now.
my wife was about 4 or 5 years.
Mikey. You gotta sing it to your cocktail, Mike.
Shit was Easter. Old top of the front. Michael.
Mike,
Baskets full of Easter joy.
Mike, you can't sing on the wall. Come on, you gotta get out.
You want your own chair? I'll give you your own chair. What do you want?
Good food.
Happy Easter.
Yeah, we took your chair out of here because it was in our way. If it's in our way, we'll get rid of it. So watch it.
Babo,
We're gonna get rid of you.
what you got there?
Say hi.
Right? Nope.
Yeah.
Did you give Mikey a kiss? Give him a kiss, Babo. Make nice. Make nice. Nice. What are you doing, Bob? You cuddling up with your brother? Mike, are you really sleeping through all this? It's 7 o'clock at night and Michael shouldn't be sleeping anyway unless he's going to bed for the night. I guess he's not sleeping. I think he's trying to cuddle with you. Bobby, cuddle gently. Be gentle, cuddle. Gently. Make nice. Make nice. Make nice, Bob. Careful. Sit down. Sit down. Make nice. Bobby, you're gonna fall. You better sit down. Sit down. Give him a kiss. Nice, brother. Nice. Gentle, Bob. No, be gentle. Be gentle. Michael, don't bite. Mike, Bobby, what's Mikey doing?
Huh?
What's Mikey doing? He's playing puddles.
Mike, you're going to be so wet that you're not going to be able to go out.
Michael, where are you? Where'd he go? Let Bobby have a turn now. Stand back and let Bobby have a turn.
You come up here.
We're starting to smell that.
Yeah, your pants are all wet now, aren't they?
Yeah. I'm staying up.
Okay, then. You're going to go. It's cold. Kids are going to get sick. Yeah.
Now let me have a turn.
Come on, Bob. You want to go see if there's a puddle by Papa's house?
Well, I bet there's a big one.
There's a big ball power big one back. What's the big one? It's going to go. I want to go with Daddy, Mom. Look at all this grass. Just cold.
Come on, Bob. Bobby.
I want to come with you, Dad.
Come on, Bobby.
I want to come with you.
Come on, Bob.
No, I don't
Say
want to
bye-bye
go.
to Mommy.
I don't want to go to Mom, Daddy.
Bye-bye to stairs.
Up here I am. I love you.
I'm going to splash in the puddle.
Why don't you just stay home? Going up?
across the street. I think you better bring dry pants.
I love you, Bob.
You hear? Dry pants?
Yes, Sal, I heard you.
Go get my first pants. Go get them, please.
You need fresh pants?
Daddy, look. Bear doing.
That's a sheep. And what's in front of us here?
That's a doing.
The
Huh?
goats.
You come in here?
Pygmy goats.
It's a sheep doing.
He's going, "Arr."
Yeah, he's doing. Mom, come on, I can't.
Okay, you go. I'll take your picture. Wave to me, Mike.
I'm going to play tomorrow.
Okay, wave to me, Mike. Honk, 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 honk. Honk, honk, honk. Flapping your wings.
What's that?
It's a duck. That's a duck. What does duck say? What's that, Bobby?
Oopsie, and pig.
What does a pig say?
Like.
Do you see the pig?
Who's that?
Where is he?
I'm saying the
What?
It's a big thing doing.
He's eating like a pig.
Huh?
Eating like a pig.
Eating like a pig?
What kind of a ride is that, Michael?
Is that a dolphin, right? What is this? A dolphin?
Let's go see that guy over there.
Llama? Come closer.
Bobby? That's a llama. What does a llama say?
I know.
Neither do I. What does a llama say? Nice teeth. What does a sheep say? Bob?
What kind of animal is she?
Bobby?
There's a polar bear.
That's not a polar bear, that's a sheep.
Then I could see.
What does a sheep say?
This is sheep.
Those are sheep?
This is a polar bear.
That's not a polar. We're going to get something to eat. Bobby, want a burger? Bobby, want a burger? Want a burger?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. What are you looking at?
The elephants.
The elephants, how big are they?
What?
How big are elephants?
20
Boy, look at him moving the tree, Mike. Look at him moving the tree. See it? See it? Moving that whole big tree, huh?
I see it. I see it, Daddy.
You see it, Bob?
I see big sheep.
You see him? He's pushing that whole big tree. Big heavy tree. Well, we'll go in there in a minute. Let's see if that elephant knocks the tree over. Just want to see if he knocks it over.
I can see it. It's a trailer, Mama.
What, honey?
It's a trailer.
You see the big elephant?
No. Big.
It's a big elephant.
Good shoot, Mama. Good shoot, Abby.
What do you see, Bobby? What are those? What are those, Mike?
Mike, here it goes.
Mike,
Look at him go.
Oh, the monkeys are always fun. What kind of monkeys are these?
black ones. What are the brown ones? They used to be outside.
Maybe they'll do something funny. Jump up and down, Mikey. See if the monkey jumps up and down with you. Let's see that again, Sal. Do it again. Look at that monkey. You do it, Mike.
No. I want to go out.
What are they eating?
I don't know. There must be orange. Monkeys love bananas.
That's right, they do.
I think they're eating bananas. I think they like orange bananas. Yeah.
There's one that go like 6, 7.
What was that, Bobby?
Carrots. He dropped one.
Sit on your bottom, please.
Three.
Here they go. Swinging around.
I remember when I went
I didn't know they could swing around with a carrot in their hand.
Oh, they're very agile. They could do just about anything.
But we went there, and there was a big, huge thing like this, and the gorillas knew exactly how to get everyone's attention. And we were
Is that how he
right
gets
on the glass,
outside?
and they'd run up, and they're huge, and they'd hit the glass. And then they'd go over and they'd eat. They'd eat it. They'd stick their finger and they'd go like this, and it was really gross.
You know what they used to do?
Mommy and Daddy are swinging.
My dad drove us to
Look how strong they are.
the zoo.
They're very strong.
Going to fall, Mama.
No, he's not going to fall.
We're all like segregated.
He could swing like that for hours.
Big girl wants her to go to the next one. I mean, she's going like this. Sit her down.
Look at the expression on that one in the corner.
Oh my goodness.
We were all in second grade watching this.
They're getting an early education.
One time, Dusty was at a zoo, and he was standing outside.
Look at those. Look at him. Way up there. See that?
What's the monkey doing, Bob?
Huh?
What is he doing?
I know.
You don't know. Michael, careful with that. There's a little girl in front of you.
Excuse me.
Mommy, I see a little baby. I saw the little baby.
What is the little baby doing?
I don't know.
Watch and see.
Is it bad?
Well, the baby got
He's just a case.
they go on a nation like
Really?
You need to flash on this? I'm sure they're in there.
Huh?
Yes.
Oh, is that airplane flying?
You got your tree yet?
Yeah.
You built a tree?
Yeah.
Well, there's your present for Michael. Well, that's it. I know you got plenty. Really sorry. You don't want to talk to me anymore?
What's this?
Did you have something to say to Santa?
I want this.
Tissues for me. Well, I'm gonna need those. You'd be surprised all the little goodies I get on myself. Yeah, I appreciate that, Michael. Okay, and you have a very Merry Christmas, huh?
That's nice,
Okay.
Say same to you,
And
Santa.
where's your brother?
Thank you. Love you. See you later. Bye.
Hey, Bobby. Hey, Hey, Bobby, you want to come over and see me?
You don't have to sit on his lap. You could just go over and say hello if you want,
Come over and
sweetheart.
see me.
It's okay. You don't have to. You don't have to.
What I got for you, Bob?
Want mommy to take you there?
I'll take it, please.
No, that's okay, Mike. Stay there.
Maybe Mommy will come over.
Can you get any photos?
You don't have to sit on his lap. You can just go over together and say hello.
Well, now look what we got here, Bobby. Bobby, you gonna come back and get your picture taken pretty soon?
Tell me again, Bob, what are you watching? Take your hands off your mouth. I can't hear you. What are you watching?
Hey, Willie.
Free Willy?
Yeah.
Who is Willy?
Yeah.
He's a what?
Whale is Free Willie.
The whale is Free Willy. There he is. Bobby loves Free Willy.
I like Free Willie.
Tell me again.
I like Free Willie.
Yes, you do. What does he do for the boy? What does Free Willy do for the boy? I'm going to turn the volume down so we can hear you a little bit better. Okay.
I see.
You can still see it.
I want to see. Still not my see. I see.
This is surely one of Bobby's favorite movies. What happened when the boy fell in the water? What did Free Willy do?
A boat. Boat flew in the whole boat. Free Willie in the boat.
What are they doing?
They're playing the boat.
Are they trying to catch him?
Yeah.
Are those the bad guys?
Well, guys, try to get the Free Willie. Let's try to get the Free Willie. Try to get the Free Willie.
Is that his family?
No.
Hi, Mike. Do you want to look in the camera and say hello and Merry Christmas to everybody in New York?
Yeah.
Okay. No, I meant, I didn't mean look in the viewer. I meant look at me and say it. Go stand over there and look at me.
I like everybody in New York.
You like everybody in New York?
Ah, Free was caught.
Yeah, they caught him. Poor Free Willy.
What happened?
He got caught in the net.
He do.
Bobby,
There's a boat, big boat.
Bobby, what happened when the boy fell in the water?
I'm looking at the video camera. I'm looking at that.
Okay, just make sure you see Bobby. What happened when the boy fell in the water?
No.
Did Free Willy take care of him?
Mommy, I want to get this better here. No. Got it. I'm looking down. I'm going to look down now.
No. Don't pull on this, Michael. It's a $800 camera.
Eight.
Bobby, Bobby. Take your fingers out of your nose and say, I love you, Nana and Papa.
I love you, Papa.
And I miss you.
I miss you.
Have a Merry Christmas.
Have Merry Christmas, Nana and Papa. I'm gonna. No.
What is that feeling you're doing?
So, because she does know it, and she told Nancy, Nancy hasn't already done this, and I'm gonna stand. I'm just thinking, like, maybe just January, maybe December was just
Hey, Bob. Hi.
You want to get a piece of
Hey, Bob. Bobby. Hey, Bob. What? What's Bobby say? Tell me, what's Bobby say? Bravo. Hi. What's the daddy say? Huh? What's Bobby say? Pick me up.
Can you sing the Jingle Bell song? Bobby, sing the Jingle Bell song to Daddy. Sing Jingle Bells. Look at Daddy and sing it.
Bobby, look at me.
This one has 2 wraps.
Bobby, yeah.
More clothes.
Wow, let's see what they are. Put them up there.
These are football cards. Football cards? Card. Clothes. Better hurry up. Yeah. Inside it has the tail box on this one.
So much for saving that box.
Yeah, cheese. Cool.
Oh, neato. Oh, they're beautiful. Who are they from?
And Joe and Uncle.
Uncle Mike and Aunt Diane.
I wonder who's the
Thank you, Mike and Diane.
Oh, cool, Bob.
Wish you were here.
Wish you were here.
Bobby, what'd you get?
It's pants.
Oh, how handsome. What do you say?
Thanks.
Thanks, Mike and Diane.
Thanks, Diane.
And Mike,
Mike.
I love you and I miss you.
I miss you, Mike.
Blow a kiss. Okay. Those are very handsome. Let me see the pants. That's the shirt. Let me see the pants. Oh, how handsome. They go together so nicely.
It's a fox.
Bobby, look out. We gotta get the bottom now.
All right, let's go.
Get the stickers
Here we go.
all
This way.
out.
Yeah, that's easy.
Mike.
Okay, Bob, pull open the top. Thank you.
Good thing I laid it asleep up there.
Yeah, good thing.
Guys. Papa?
Pull hard here, Bob. Pull here. Hard. Pull hard.
Papa?
Okay, now pull hard here. Pull hard here again. Pull hard.
Oh.
Okay.
He's gonna
Oh,
be there too.
boy.
Papa. Hey, Poppy, see, I was right.
You were right, all right.
Bobby's had a hole in it.
Oh, wow.
Where's you gonna sit on?
I don't know, we'll have to move the box. Put the box on top of that.
Here you go, Bob. That'd be a good box for,
I can play around with this one.
Yeah, put all the paper in one of those and bring it across and burn it later.
Oh, look how strong Bobby is.
Look out, Papa. There's a little guy behind
Look at how strong Bobby is, yeah.
Dinosaur. Look how high I can get.
That's great. Careful.
Hey.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Guys.
Those are from Nana and Papa LaMonica, boys.
they're gonna
Those
be
beanbags. They're from Nana and Papa LaMonica. They brought them over in the truck.
Comfortable?
Yeah.
When you watch tapes, I guess.
Yeah.
Great.
There's more.
Thanks.
How about a kiss for your Nana
Papa?
Yours are up there.
Papa?
Oh, that's a good idea.
These ones are mine?
Yeah.
Okay. Put it on my sleeping bag so they don't break when I open.
How you gonna know who's here?
I can see.
Wow. Piglet stew? So.
Piglet,
What
liquid.
did we talk about?
Which one my off?
Otis and Milo? What's Bobby's favorite movie?
Bobby's favorite movie is What's Your Mile?
Otis and Milo?
What's Your Mile is his dog.
Tell me about that movie.
Oh, what's a dog?
Otis is a dog?
Yeah.
And who's Milo? Who's Milo?
Milo's in the water.
Milo's in the water. How did Milo get in the water?
Scared of a bear.
He was scared of a bear?
Yeah.
And what happened when Milo fell in the water?
He's scared.
Got scared, huh?
Is Bobby's okay as a bear?
You're okay with the bear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's talk about Free Willy.
Okay.
Okay. Who is Free Willy?
So, you can do it.
I can do it?
Bobby. Huh?
You tell me. Go ahead.
What happened to Free Willy?
I don't know what happened to him.
What happened in the net?
They got him in a net.
Yeah.
Did he get stuck?
Yeah.
Was that the bad guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In a boat.
The bad guys were in a boat?
Hmm?
The bad guys were in a boat?
Yeah.
And where did they take him?
And take him in the boat.
They took him in the boat, and then they put him in a tank where he couldn't get out. He didn't like it there, did he?
Let's talk about dolphin.
The dolphin?
Let's talk about dolphin.
The dolphin?
Okay.
The dolphin's name is Flipper.
Dolphin's not Flipper.
No? Who is the dolphin?
Dolphin's a Flipper.
Oh.
Dolphin is... What happened, dolphin?
Did he have a fight with a shark?
Huh?
Did he have a fight with the shark?
Huh?
Did the dolphin have a fight with a shark?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the fight Papa.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you have a nice Christmas?
Yeah.
Did Santa Claus come and bring presents?
Nope.
Tell me about Thomas the Tank Engine. Did you get a very special Thomas the Tank Engine game?
Hmm?
The train on the tracks, Thomas? What is that? Michael, hi. Sit down next to your brother. You know what Bobby was doing?
What?
He was singing Jingle Bells. Would you guys sing that together for me? Sing with your brother, Bob. I'll count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to sleigh. Hey, jingle! Jingle bells, jingle, dashing through the snow. In a one-horse open sleigh. On the fields we go, laughing all the way. Ha, ha, ha.
Show me how Santa laughs. How did-
Oh, 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 oh.
Tell me about your Christmas. Was it very special?
Yeah. Ho, ho. That was a bump and egg Christmas.
A what?
A bump and egg Christmas.
Is there? Yeah. Mike, can you lower that TV a little bit? Bobby, can you show me your muscles? Let me see your face. Let me see your face when you do that. Show me your muscles. Wow, those muscles are amazing. Let me see Michael's muscles. Go stand over there where I can get your picture. Let me see Michael's muscles. Whoa, look at that. Oh, man. And Bobby's muscles? Let me see your muscles again. Leave that ornament on the tree, please.
Okay.
And is Bobby a big man, too? That's another thing that Bobby tells us all the time. Show me you're a big man.
Bobby's a big man, so I'm here.
Bobby's a big man. He's right here, yes. And you're a very nice man too, right? Excuse me while I make this just a little bit lower so we can hear Bobby. Okay, whenever you're ready, Bob. For yourself. Yay! Now do your eyebrows for me. That's great. Say see you later.
See you later.
Look, kiss. 1994.
She's only been here a couple of years.
Debbie's been here. How long's Debbie been here now? 2 years?
Yeah.
It's been a while now.
So what's new?
So?
What's new?
Here we are waiting.
Say New York, New Jersey, New Mexico.
Hoping I don't fall off this chair.
You could have said you were so tall.
He whispers. It's my dad.
He doesn't want anybody to know.
He doesn't want anybody to know.
So?
What's new?
Here we are waiting.
Say New York, New Jersey, New Mexico.
Hoping I don't fall off this chair.
You could have said you were so tall.
He whispers. It's my dad.
He doesn't want anybody to know.
He doesn't want anybody to know.
It's a secret. I
Don't,
won't tell.
don't say it too loud. I don't want everybody else to know that.
Okay, I'm fading.
You're fading?
Alright, we're ready
Does
here.
that mean you need vitamins?
Bring on the show.
See, I'll stand up here. It's warmer up here.
Yeah, warmer up here.
Am I in your way?
Hi,
Oh, how cute.
Bobby, there's a spot for your hair.
Oh, Bobby.
Anthony, turn around so we can see you, please.
There were 10 in the bed.
Ethan, come join us. Are you ready? Here's Sarah Chase White. You ready, friends? Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells. Stand up carefully so that we can do I'm a Little Snowman. Please don't bump the print. Stand up carefully. Sit forward a little bit, please, Anthony. Put your lace in. I'm a little snowman, round and fat. Here is my broomstick, here is my hat. When the sun comes out, I melt away. But I'll be back another day. Here stands a lovely Christmas tree, Christmas tree, Christmas tree. Here stands a lovely Christmas tree, so early Christmas morning. The lights sing loud. These are the lights that blink on the tree, blink on the tree, blink on the tree. These are the lights that blink on the tree, so early Christmas morning. This is the star on the top of the tree, the top of the tree, the top of the tree. This is the star on the top of the tree, so early Christmas morning. We don't want to be, so they flew far away over the sea and brought back another bird to live in the tree. Now there are 4 little birds in the one little tree. We're still alone and we don't want to be, so they flew far away over the sea and brought back another bird to live in the tree. Now there are 5 little birds in the one little tree, and nobody's lonely anymore. Oh no. Your hands are ready. Are you ready? Come on, Chris. Get your hands ready. Ram, stand, stand. Ram, stand, stand. Gooly, 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 ram, stand, stand. Arabi, Arabi. Gooly, 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 ram, stand, stand. Ram, stand, stand. Ram, stand, stand. Gooly, 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 ram, stand, stand. Arabi, Arabi. Gooly, 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 ram, stand, stand. Please stay safely right where you are. We're going to sing our goodbye song. You don't need to make a circle though. When I sing goodbye to you, I'll give you the present that you made for your mom and dad, and a very special cookbook that all of our preschool friends made. So stay where you are, please. Willoughby, Wallaby, woo. Now our day is through. Willoughby, Wallaby, one. We hope you've all had fun. Willoughby, Wallaby, Anthony. School is over for Anthony. Willoughby, Wallaby, woon. We'll see you real soon. Willoughby, Wallaby, Christopher. School is over for Christopher. Here you go, Chris. Willoughby, Wallaby, woon. We'll see you real soon. Sit carefully so you don't fall, please. Willoughby, Wallaby, when school is over for Anna.
But there's this ring on it. It's like
Willoughby, Wallaby, woon. We'll see you real soon. Willoughby, Wallaby, Washley. School is over for Ashley. Christopher, Anthony, and Anna, I do need the bells back. Willoughby, Wallaby, Bobby. School is over for Bobby.
I haven't. I never put it back in.
Trevor's gonna take care of that one for us. You have yours to take care of too.
What's that, man?
Come here, Bob.
Cookbook. Come on, Bobby. Cook.
Thank you, Ethan. And this too, Ethan. Willity wallity woo, the sea of eagle center. Willity wallity wing, smooth as over Portuguese.
Michael, so what that time for us? Nice, you
Good job, willity wallity woo, the sea of eagle center. Willity wallity, we'll see. Smooth as over Portuguese. Willity wallity woo.
See, he used half the sugar. It's much better. I like it.
What are you guys eating? What are you guys eating?
We have salmon.
Pepperoni. Remember I complained about these?
Somebody actually
Uh-oh.
liked that.
Uh-oh, get Irv an antacid. Get Irv some Zantac.
Shrimp are almost gone.
We have some, Irv, don't worry, eat them all.
Mom,
Zantac?
I said, where are the ones?
Okay. Excuse me, Mike.
Where's Bob?
I don't know, go find him.
That's what we love.
It's a match of the width here. Rusty, no.
No, you're not there. Definitely not there. There's 1 minute to Oh, yes, he is.
Did you find your favorite in there, Marty?
What?
Did you find your favorite in there?
Yeah, I did. My favorite is Silent Night.
Oh, and the girls were singing it for you.
Sing it loud.
But then it wouldn't be Silent Night.
What's your favorite, Lars?
Where is my fork? I don't know.
You parked on my grass!
They are
You
just
parked on my grass!
magnificent.
My dirt? My dirt on front lawn?
Is this thing supposed to go all the time, no matter if nobody's
You
doing
should have
it?
got the octopus.
Batteries are overheating.
All you got is the remnants.
Well, I didn't think of it before that. How was the octopus?
It was the best we've had. It's the best we've had.
How was the octopus?
Good. Good,
It was
good.
great, but he put his tentacles around my neck and choked me.
That when you talk about it. It's kind of wet. It's raining outside.
Oh, hi, you guys. Merry Christmas.
Hey, we'll make it fun.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, I'm fading.
Good to see you. All right.
I'll just add this to
Yeah. All right. I got it.
Do you have something you want to say to Tony, Pauline, and Alexa?
Wait a minute, Bob.
Say Merry Christmas.
No, eat Christmas.
And I miss you guys.
I miss you guys.
And what else?
I love my uniform.
I love my uniform.
Look at me and smile. Now growl.
Lawrence Taylor.
Lawrence Taylor. Is Lawrence Taylor in the Mama,
Phil Sims. Phil Sims.
Guys get new Christmas jammies?
And these are Spencer. These are Champ. Is that?
You're wearing your football uniform.
Bob, who'd you get? Bobby, turn around. Show me what cars you got.
What?
Look it.
What'd you get?
Hey, hi, guys. Okay, thank you. Hi.
Oh, boy, thank you. Well,
What do you got there, Bob?
this. Mike, this? It rains snow.
Merry Christmas,
Merry
everybody.
My daddy
Christmas.
got it for me with the, it's not just the truck, there's a car inside.
What is there? Wow. I'll go get some more.
Where's what?
Hey, I got this. Got the pickle. Come out here and look at this race.
What?
Bathroom.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Bob, go over and show Nana your cars. Go ahead.
Oh, look. What is it?
Mommy's gonna.
Oh, look at all these cars. Wow.
Look
and it
at
goes
you
through a
aimed.
tunnel.
You aimed to smash these.
This is the one you saw in television.
Annette,
Who brought this?
You aimed
I
to
have
smash.
Irish cream
Oh,
and
wow,
almond
that's the
creamer. Do you want me to bring it over?
Cut you over this, please.
Ho, ho, ho. Oh, I forgot my beard.
Pop.
I forgot my beard.
Papa looks like Santa.
Mom.
Look at the sweet boy in the
I
doorway.
think this is from. I think that's
Up in that basket in there.
Oh, boy.
Where?
Up in the
This
basket.
is to Mommy from Mike.
Here you go, use this for garbage.
Oh, boy.
to mommy. To mommy.
Sorry, Dad.
To mommy. I wanted to mommy.
Oh, to Mommy's.
To mommy.
Well, Annette, I think you better just forget everything for right this minute and let this kid dive into this stuff because
Yes, don't worry
it's
about
just not fair to let him wait any longer. He's busted.
Rusty, here's what's going on.
Hey, Bob.
Hi, boys.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Just taking a hot tub.
You taking a hot tub?
Yeah.
You having fun?
Yeah. It's my car.
What car?
That car that was in downtown with me. Right here. Oh, thanks.
Sal,
Silver rail. Silver rail.
say hello.
Hello.
Show me your face. Lean
Oh,
forward.
because he falls in the water? And
Lean
could you
forward.
sit on Dad's seat?
Yeah.
Why? Because I need room in here. But
I hope the tub is blocking the rest of me.
That was a
and
jerky
I
thing.
hope it's just falling up myself and falling down on me. Bye! Like this. Hey! Bobby? No, Bobby! No! That's it. That he falls in the water.
Outside receiver. Barry Marino places it for 55 yards on the opening drive, first and goal.
That wasn't part of this.
Remember, this club had yet to score a touchdown in the
Do I have to put the wheels on first?
That's what they say. So, and that's all they say.
Well, I'm following. What am I supposed to put on first?
Let's say L2
I think you're gonna have to work on this part.
I guess what's confusing is that they put that 100 to 200 in the parentheses and then they do that on the HDL or whatever it is. They put out, what, 40 something, about 45 or?
Michael, this creates a real problem for the Dolphins. They really want to establish the run. They know what happens.
Good night, Bobby. Merry Christmas. I love you. Good night, Michael. Merry Christmas. I love you. Pleasant dreams, boys.
golden rings, 2 colors, and it's pear tree.
On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 9 ladies dancing.
8 maids and lucky, 7 swans are swimming, 6 geese flying, 5 golden rings, 4 colors, 3 Frenches, 2 candles, and a pot.
Talk regular, Bob. On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me
10 lords a leaping, 8, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a milking, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese flying, 5 golden rings, 4 colors, 3 Frenches, 2 candles, and a partridge and a pear tree.
Well, let Bobby say his part. 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves.
And a partridge.
On the 11th day of
Christmas, my true love.
Uh-oh.
11 pipers piping, 10 lords a leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids are milking, 7 swans are swimming, 6 geese flying, 5 golden rings, 4 colors, and a partridge and a pear
On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me
12 drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 lords a leaping, 8, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids are milking, 7 swans are swimming, 6 geese flying, 5 golden rings, 4 colors, 2 Frenches, 2 turtles.
and
Partridge in the tree.
very good. Give yourselves a hand now.
We started with 5.
Yay. What other song are you going to sing for us? How about
Papa Love Mama.
No.
How about I'm a little snowman round and
I'm a little teapot.
Oh, we'll sing that one.
I'm a little teapot. Short and fat. Use my broomstick and here is my hat. When the sun comes up, I will do it. And I'll be back another day. Now I can't.
Okay, Bobby, you sing us a song now.
I want to do Garth Brooks.
Okay, do Garth Brooks.
The band.
Papa's in the pan. Mama was a looker.
He was a shy.
Papa was a...
He was a shy. Papa was a looker. Papa was a looker. He was a shy. Papa was a... Come on, little salad.
Are you ready for your salad? Okay, say, look at the camera and wave bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say adios.
Adios. Adios.
One more time, just like we just did it. Give it your best. On 3. Let's see, wait.
I can't go through
Wait. Tell me again.
Rusty's. This is Rusty killing with me. He likes me as prune.
Can I hear him purring? He purrs so loud, Michael and I decided that neither of us could sleep with that darn noise. Where are you going, Rust? Stay with Mike. Are you trying to get closer to me? Stay with Mike. Stay. Pet him, Mike. Pet him.
not on the fruit. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah, you're not. Yeah, I am.
Tell me about these trucks, you guys.
No.
How many fire trucks are there?
2. 5.
And how many ambulances are there?
1.
So how many trucks are you guys playing with all together? Can you count them for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9? I don't see 9 trucks. How about you, Trevor? Can you tell me how many trucks you guys are playing with?
1, 2.
2 trucks.
First.
How old is Trevor?
Baby.
How old is Trevor?
3.
3. Do you know when your birthday is, Trevor?
Yeah, a long time.
A long time. It's just one day away from Bobby's birthday, isn't it?
It might be to Munda's house. I went to the wedding. It's a dark rock.
Careful with my walls, dude. Ah! No. I don't want your nose.
Can I look in the camera?
Sure. Wanna look at Trevor?
No.
Say hi, Trevor.
Hi, Trevor.
Thanks for coming over to play.
I'm looking at the truck.
Okay.
I can't see
Sit in
the
your
cake.
seat.
Boy, that's what,
It's the Red Ranger.
I like Jason, the Red Ranger.
Everybody looking at Annette. Where's Annette? Show me your faces. Bobby, I can't see your face. Michael M, I can't see your face.
I get the first piece, and I want the Red
Got
Ranger.
Nathan's tongue.
Okay, take the cameras off.
Red Ranger. I want the Red Ranger.
Who's the Red Ranger? Is it?
I like the Red Ranger. They do. It's my favorite. I like the red. Ouch. 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 There's red wax on it. I can touch the wax.
I know it's on the cake too.
Boomerang.
Yeah, it's just wax, so.
I want the Red Ranger too. I want the Red Ranger too. I want the Red Ranger's head.
The Red
I want the Red Ranger. I want the Red Ranger. I want the Red Ranger's belt. I want the Red Ranger's body. It's cool like this. He fights. You can't have the whole thing. That would be bummy. Besides, I get the first piece. I know.
Can I cut it now?
I get the first piece.
Okay.
The Red Ranger head.
Hey, Dad, that's 7.
I want the belt. I want the belt. I want the legs. Both legs. There's 2 legs and 2 arms.
Well, we're just gonna cut it up the way it needs to be cut,
Can I have both legs? Nope. I'm having the belt.
Edible?
and whoever gets whatever. Yeah, it's all edible.
I'm having that belt. I'm having the belt.
hold on. Is this hot water?
I'll do it.
You guys need spoons, huh?
Wow. That's super biteable. Super.
We should just get a knife.
Yeah. Yummy.
What are we doing here? Cutting heads or?
Just cut it up, and they'll get what they get.
I want the head.
Like Terminex. Every year, the Discover card gives you something other credit cards don't. Cashback bonus awards. So carry the Discover.